My name is Itay.
My name is Gadi. Itay and I work together and we love to cook together. And 6 years ago we joint ventured together and decided to do cooking workshops. When we meet the people, the family, the group, we start dancing around the table or outside around the grass.
People laughing. It's very Israeli to make a balagan. So today we're going to make a shakshuka. What's the products for the shakshuka? Onion, garlic, tomato, egg, parsley, sugar. The tomatoes we cut as cubes. And the onion we cut in the small cubes. We chop the parsley. Watch on your fingers. Look what's happened to me. Very fine slice of garlic. Okay, now we have the products of the shakshuka. Very nice. Olive oil in the pan. We add the onion. Okay, not so much. We keep a little bit for the Israeli salad later on. We have all the products that we cut for the shakshuka before. We have tomatoes, onion, parsley. Now we're going to combine all of the products together. The cucumbers first, tomatoes, onion, not so much, a little bit parsley, salt, pepper, then we have lemon, olive oil, mix together.
I made the tahini today, and the tahini it's an amazing product. It's made out of sesame. Now we're going to add some lemons. It's very important to put a lot of lemon into the tahini. That gives a lot of taste. Now some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, some nice kosher salt. Use water from the faucet, but Adi is going to do it from the bottle. And you stir. Never stop stirring. And the tahini comes into nice one piece, and it's ready.
Well,
Amazing, amazing. Gadi, well done. Wow.